This is going to be your daily update today here on CKB. As you can see here, guys, all-time highs coming through around this 4 cents and 2 there. You've got obviously another challenge point coming through at this horizontal. We're going to go candle bodies here, guys. We're going to see a lovely resistance point actually coming down here from the most recent pump to the upside here. A couple of days ago or so, we did see a nice surge in the price, bringing the price all the way up to around 3 cents. 3.29 there. Obviously, seeing that heavy resistance coming through off the volume weighted ATR band, guys, it just shows how really congruent that tool is. As you can see, the resistance is really pulling us down from there. Now, we do obviously have that low point coming through from open. Definitely something to be looking out for as well there, guys. With this range that we've got here is basically going to be getting ever so smaller as time progresses, right? As time progresses, this range is going to get ever so smaller. And to be honest with you, it's really quite... It's not too bad, right? It's not too bad. And the reason for this is, guys, we're actually seeing big progression to the upside. Obviously, huge down. We've got the May crash coming through there. And this low that we've got here is actually a higher low, guys. We've got higher low, bullish chart pattern. Really not bad. Another high low getting set. If we do actually come down, even if we come down to this trend line again, it's still going to be a high low. It's still going to be bullish, guys. It's still going to be bullish overall, so it's really not too bad. But in terms of like a breakout scenario, you could really be looking for the moon here. And when I say the moon, let's do some measure moves. Let's do some percentages there, because this could be insane. Obviously, going on the most recent uptrend, guys, top to bottom. Nothing too mental here, but we're going to be clearing all-time highs there. And it looks actually very achievable, I must say. Very, very achievable. Around 70.77% there. So yeah, really quite nice if we can actually see us achieve that. What I would say, we need a breakout scenario to come through from that. We need to be breaking previous highs. And also, we need to be getting over this volume-weighted ATR band, because we're currently finding pretty heavy levels of resistance at that zone at this point. Moving through to the shorter-term timeframes there, guys. For you scalpers out there. As you can see there, guys, obviously humongous uptrend after a consolidatory period. This is actually a really nice range. I would say it's actually really nice, quite attractive actually, very attractive sort of range to be going and playing off there. You can see we've actually banged it up from that zone, seeing a nice bit of a measure move completion actually, what I would say in terms of a parallel channel in terms of the range that we're in here. We would have been looking at something along the lines of this. In terms of a measure move, we could be looking at something along the lines of this. You can see, bang that up, very nice, completed around that 2.75 there. So yeah, well done to anyone who did get in sort of that long breakout position coming through there. Now we're obviously seeing a bit of a pullback coming through from that major trend line from the all-time highs. Not bad, actually really quite good, guys, really quite healthy. And as you can see, we are seeing... I would say a bit of a falling wedge chart pattern. Let's jump down to the smaller term time frames because we know this is actually really not bad, because if it is going to be a falling wedge chart pattern there, guys, we know falling wedges, they actually tend to break to the upside there. So we could actually be looking at a nice break to the upside. If we can get a break to the upside, it's not going to be bad, right? It's not going to be huge. It's not going to be massive like measure moves there. It's going to be something along the lines of this. Something along the lines of this, and obviously it's going to mean we're going to be above all major moving averages as well there. So yeah, it's going to be really quite progressive to the upside if that is going to come into fruition there. In terms of percentages there, it's going to be around a 10.82%, and that's obviously going to be bringing us back up to that major trend line that we do need to break out from there. So it's very interesting stuff coming through for CKB. Overall bullish, micro trend. How low is this trend actually going to go before we break out to the upside again? Who knows, but it is definitely probably going to break to the upside. Probably going to break to the upside yet again. But yeah, that's going to be an update today here on CKB.